I'm going to have a look at our colour range and do some swatches on my face. But if you're interested, follow us now for some other tutorials and tips and tricks on our product. One of the main things that I get asked about is the colour range. Foundation number 13 is the colour here. It's a good way for you to see what my skin tone is and try and work out if one of the colours will match your skin tone. If you are a little bit fair in your complexion, it might be something that works well for you. That's number 13. Number 24. This is not quite as light, a little bit warmer. So as you can see, that blends a lot more easily with my actual skin tone. This is the colour that I would go for in winter. Next one I'm going to look at is our 45. Makeup on my hands. This is real life. This is a little bit more of a pinky base. That's it on my hand there. Not even quite pinky, a little bit apricot. Can actually blend two colours together. So in between seasons, I can be actually in between two colours, and I can quite easily get a blend on my hand that will work for me. And I'll just do the last one, and this is the colour I've been using mostly through summer, our 54. The thing about our colours in the containers, they look different to how they appear on your skin. And that's due to the colour of the actual container itself, the dark colour of the container. On my skin there. Blend that in. Our products are really pigmented, so you only really need a little bit. You can get anywhere between a light and quite up to a heavy coverage with them, depending on how much product you use. Blend with your hands. You can use a beauty blender. Just for today, I thought I would use my makeup brush. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments. Share, like, and have a great day. See ya.